guys, welcome back to another video on Java 8 series. Will be this series actually, as you already know, we are looking out for the most frequently asked questions in an interview. Whether you are experienced, whether you are a beginner, no matter uh, how expert you are, interview will try to test the skills on Java 8, whether you have the knowledge on whether you have practically worked on it. He will try to judge you on that part. So I will try to give you a problem statement, which will you ask you to write a code maybe on his notepad and while screen sharing. So let's look at first statement, which is they will give you a string and they will write a paragraph in it, which will say that for this each word, what you see, right? They want it in the reverse order. So in a string, they will give you a string. They want you to reverse everything in each word of it. So let's get started. What we will do and what we have to do is that first we have to convert this into a string. For that, we require string, right? So now what we have to do is that we have to pass this string. We have to split it because as everything is being differentiated with there is a space in it. We have to give a space. So here what will get an array and then it will be converted into a string, right? So we've done the first step. Now the second step is we need to, now what we have done is that we have actually done the splitting, right? Now this will be an array, right? So it will have the strings, right? So once we have this, what we can do is that we need to map it. Map it what we have to use a map, right? Then after using this, right, what we will do is that we will create a new string buffer. The string buffer, there are utility methods inside it. So let's pass on this particular A inside this, and then we have to reverse it. Okay. Once we get the reverse, once everything is reversed for each, so what the map will do is that for each of them, it will perform this step. So each word it will perform this reverse. So once you have this, what it will do, we have to collect it, right? So we have to again place it in the same order with the reverse thing, right? So what we have to do is that we have to make use of string. Now inside this, we have to give a space over here, right? So because we wanted an output with the same, which is should be a space, right? So we will be monitoring it in that. So let's see. We will create a variable over here. Create a reverse order array, and then we'll print it. Let's print this. So first we convert it into a string. For each word using this map, we are using a string buffer, we are initializing it, and then we are reversing it. And then after that, we are adding this space. Let's run this and see what is the output. See, now if you see here the statement, each word is replaced as reverse. Hope you got the solution for the first problem. Now let's look at the second problem statement. They will provide that they will give you a list of they will give you an array and they wanted it to be printed in the reverse order without using the Java 8 features, right? So what we have to do is here now as we are dealing with integer, right, we will be using the int string, right? Now we have this, but now without Java 8, we are using what we used to do. We will be using the for loop, and then we are going to make use of the length, right? Now it is similarly, we'll be using this. There's a method called range. So you will have to pass the start and end of it. So if you see from where you to and what is the end, right? So first we'll we'll use that. And then here we wanted an length of it, right? So whatever might be the array length, we'll make use of length. Once we get this particular range, right, what we have to do is that we have to make use of map. What we have to do from the map, we have to, for each element of this particular thing, we will replace it with the one which is in the array. So if you see from the reverse order, we will try to do that. So what we have to do is that we will map it with the elements over there. So here we will be passing the array. We will be taking the length. Now we will take up the length, array dot length, and then we will put minus the a, right? Because we are taking that particular length. Once we get that, it will replace all this particular in the reverse order, and then we can convert it to an array. So now we will create another int array, which will be the final array after sorting, after reversing it basically. So let's see what would be the output over here. Final array. Okay. So we will have to print it. Of final array. So see, now if you see, I've converted it into an string, right? Array array to string, right? Now if you will see the output which is printed as in the reverse order. If you see, hope you got this resolution for the statement. So whenever you're getting this particular problem statement, we can easily answer now. Thank you for watching.